This video will learn to insert clip art and picture. So what is a clip art? Clip art is a collection of images from where we can choose an image and insert in our document. In the clip art gallery, the pictures are arranged categories wise. This makes it easier to search for the picture we need it. Sometimes we see that while making a document, we have to insert some picture. So we can insert those picture by using this clip art, which is already by default present in our MS Word document. See the step how to add a clip art. So the first step is we have to click on the insert tab. Then we'll click on the clip art button. It is displayed there with a orange color. We'll click on that clip art button. After that, a clip art window will appear on the right side, and we'll write the type of image or the picture we want. We'll write it on the search for. Like there we have written animal, and then we'll click on go. When we'll click on go, the related pictures, like we have given animals, so related pictures will be displayed on the screen. So on the clip art window, we'll select the particular picture and click on insert. So you can see the pictures, and after inserting the picture on our document, we'll click on the stop but close button of the clip art window. Now let's see how to insert a picture from a file. To insert a picture from a file, so first of all we have to click on the document. So in the document, like I want to insert the picture after a garden, so I have clicked there and the cursor is blinking. After that we'll go to the insert tab and click there, and on the insert tab we'll get the picture icon on the ribbon. So we'll click on the picture. So after clicking the picture, we'll get the picture gallery. We can see the picture window. There are different types of pictures are present. So we'll locate the folder where the picture is to be inserted is present. So and then select the picture to be inserted and click on the insert. Now we can see the picture is inserted into the document. After inserting the picture, now we'll see how to format the picture. So first of all, for formatting, we have to increase or decrease the brightness of the picture so that it will the look of the picture will be good and attractive. So to format, we'll double click the picture. When we'll double click on the picture, you can see the picture got selected. Then we'll go to the picture tool ribbon. Now on the left side corner we'll see there written brightness. So we'll click on the brightness button, and according to the brightness which will be suitable for our document, we'll select the brightness. So we'll click on any of the option and do the brightness. We can make the brightness more or less, and we according to the document we'll select the brightness. Now we'll see how to adjust the contrast of a picture. Same way, we have to click on the picture, double click on the picture tool will be displayed, the ribbon will be displayed. On the left corner you'll see the contrast written there. So we'll click on the contrast, and there are different types of contrast according to the document or according to the picture. Whichever suitable contrast will be, we'll select the contrast. Sometime it happens that when the picture which we have inserted, the color of the picture is not getting suitable with the background of our document. So at that time what we do, we recolor the picture. So let's see the step to recolor the picture. So first of all, we'll double click on the picture. The picture tool ribbon will appear. So then we'll click on the recolor button which is present on the left side corner. Then we'll select any of the option like click no recolor to remove the previous color, which is if we have colored it, so we have to remove it. So we'll click on no recolor and click on the option in a color mode to apply the color type. So there are different color modes are also present. We can select whichever is suitable for us. Gray, convert color into shade to gray between black and white. If we want to keep it in a black and white, that also we can do. So we'll select the thing and check the picture, is it the particular thing is suitable, and work and use the recolor option in this process. How to give a quick style to a picture. So let's see the step to give the quick style. So same, we'll click on the picture, then the picture tool will appear, and then you can see different types of styles are present. Picture styles are present as display. So you can click on any of the style, and you can, there is a drop down menu also, you'll click and you'll get the all the styles. So you can select that style which you like it, and just clicking on the style, and the picture will be, the style of the picture will be according to the picture style you have selected from the option. We can also give different shape to a picture. That means the shape of the picture can be oval, triangle or circular, so that it will give a different look to our document. So to give a shape to a document, the following steps are: first of all, we'll click on the picture. So the picture tool ribbon will appear. Then after the picture style, there is a button picture shape. So we'll click on the picture shape and a drop down menu will appear. So there are different types of shape. So whichever the shape we want to give to the picture, just we'll click on the shape and our picture will look like that particular shape. After giving shape to the picture, we also sometimes want to give some border round the shape so that it will look more beautiful and more prompt. So we can also use the picture border by using these following steps. So to give the border, if the picture is not selected, we'll click on the picture. So after clicking on the picture tool will appear. So on the ribbon, we'll see the picture border. So it is after the picture shape, the particular group is present, or the picture button is present. So we'll click on the picture button. When we'll click on the picture button, a theme of colors will appear. So from there, we'll select the color which we want to give to the border, and then we'll click on the weight. You can see from the down the second option. So thickness, it will show the thickness of the line. So how much thick we want to give the picture border, and then we'll click the thickness according to our need, and then click on OK. Sometimes it is needed to give a special effect to a picture so that it will look more attractive. So we can give a special effect to a picture like giving shadow or reflection or glow or soft edge or 3D rotation from the picture effect drop box menu. So let's see the step how to give the picture effect to the picture. So we'll click on the picture, and then we'll click on the picture effect which is present below the picture button. So picture effect button will click, so you can see there different types of effects are present, and so shadow, reflection, glow. So you can click on that and select which type of effects we want to give to the picture, and then click on OK. Sometimes it happens that when we click a picture, so the many unwanted part also comes with the click. So what happen? It may make the document or the picture look not a attractive look may not come. So what we want to remove those unwanted position. So to remove those unwanted position, what we do, we crop the picture. So what is crop picture? So cropping refers to the removal of unwanted area from a picture. It also give a more emphasis to a picture so that the picture will look more attractive and when we'll be insert it in the document. Let's see the step how to crop a picture. So to crop a picture, first of all we'll click on the picture, then we'll select the crop button from the format toolbar. So there it is written crop, we'll click on it and then we'll see fourth side on the corner of the picture some lines will appear. So bring the mouse pointer there and drag up or down so to crop the picture to the part which you want, the unwanted part which you want to trim it. So after bringing there, we'll click on OK. How to insert shape? To insert shape, the steps are, first of all we'll click on the insert tab. Then when we'll click on the insert tab, insert ribbon will be displayed. So on it you see beside clip art button there is a shape button. We'll click on the shape button. You can find there are different types of shapes are there. So whichever the shape we need it for the document, so we'll click on that shape and that particular shape will get inserted on our document. We can do that or we can drag the shape and bring it on our document.